Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Lisa Post, running for town council at the town of Orangeville. So today I wanted to talk to you about taxes. So first off, do you think taxes are too high?
That's a pretty loaded question. We all know that's a hot topic in Orangeville for sure.
Exactly. So, having that be a hot topic in Orangeville, a lot of people want to know how the new councillors are going to address that issue. For instance, a lot of people talk about increasing revenue. Well, how are you going to increase revenue? What are you going to do? Or reducing costs. What are you going to cut? The specifics are what a lot of people want to hear, because certainly everyone can say they are going to reduce or slow taxes down. So I just wanted to get your opinion on that.
Absolutely. So as I talked about before, having this be an affordable community to live in is so important to me, not only for the next generation, but also for our seniors and everybody in the community. We want it to be an affordable place to live. And I think we have the opportunity to do both. I think we have the opportunity to reduce spending. A big way to do that is to have a third party come in and analyze our spending. What I would call a needs analysis, and really go over, and that would be something I would propose, is that we would have this needs analysis where we would bring in a third party to look at the spending and look for opportunities to make certain departments leaner. That's priority number one. But I do think we also have the opportunity to increase revenues, and I think a big way that we can do that is with a better collaboration with neighboring municipalities, with the county. There's definitely opportunities to be had, and I think that by building those strong relationships with our neighbors is a big way to start.
Well, that's a good answer, and it definitely sounds like you know what you're talking about. So thank you again for coming in, and certainly if you want to see some more information or see some more answers that Lisa has to offer, please do check out the links below, and we look forward to seeing you next time.